So what I've done is this is string args. This is the main method, which by default takes an array of type string. So the thing is that JVM always looks for this main method. That's how JVM has been programmed, and the execution starts from main method. So the reason why it is static is because JVM directly executes the main method. So it has to be static, otherwise it won't JVM won't be able to execute it, because a static method can only be um, so static methods can not be executed if directly. They can be executed directly. So the main method, if it executes JVM, it would eventually need it to be static. So okay, and this has to be main, and void, it does not return anything because JVM won't be it doesn't require any return statement because we won't be printing it. And public, because it can be accessible from anywhere. That's the reason. So what I've done is this is the first statement, hello world, and then we may comment it out as well. So I've commented it out, and now this is the integer, and we pass any n integer, and this program will fact, we have taken one variable fact, and if n equal to 0, obviously if n this value that we pass is 0, the factorial will be 0. So that's why we are doing this. And else, if this is not 0, then for any number, for example n, how we'll calculate, we'll run a for loop, and since we want to kind of from 1 to the number which we pass here n, so we want to execute it. So 1 into first number will be factorial is 1, so then next I will be incremented 2 into this will again be, first of all it will be 2, then 2 into this will be, first will be I and this will be 1. Okay, so once it becomes 2, so 1 into 1 will be 1, here 1 will come. Okay, and then next number will be 2, so 1 into 1, this is 1, this is 2 now, and this is 2. Just a minute. So I is 1 initially and factorial is 1, so 1 into it will be 1, 1 into 1 will be 1, and then I gets incremented to 2. So this was 1, this was 2, so 2 into 1 will be 2, so this will be 2 stored here, and this will be incremented to 3, 2 into 3 will be 6. So after it comes out of this loop, this will be printed, factorial will be printed here. So directly here we are getting an error, but we can run it through terminal. So we have to go to this class, this Java file, and this is the address here. As you can see, I'm in the control statements group folder, and if I try to run it and pass 5 value here, it should return me 120. So it's returning me 120. So that's it.